Alright guys, another video for today. This time, I'm drinking. Not too bad stuff. Cheers. So, anyhow, mentioned in my last video that I'm going to be posting yet today that I have sharpened with a sharpening rod when we would butcher, and it's been a while. We still butcher, but since I've had the edge maker, I've just been using that. So I just thought, what the hell? It's been a while since I did some freehand stuff and whatnot, and like I said, I'm not that good at it, but I tried it. You just put it on there, try and get it at that angle, and just run it through. Just run it through, get it at the angle, and just... So, anyhow, this is about as freehand as I might get. Because you get too far like that and run it through, you're going to dull that edge. So you just tip it slightly. Now, I did it, and I got a better edge. You all saw this cut before. I got a better edge on this just by I do better going faster at it. This takes knack. The reason why I mentioned this, and I'm doing it freehand, I know I mentioned that I don't do things freehand because I'm afraid I'm going to dull it. But I've tried it, and it takes a knack. It's been a while, and I haven't quite lost my touch. I still probably won't go to stones. Who knows, maybe I'll try it and try practice, and maybe I'll get good at it. But anyhow, it works. Now, I did this one too. Yeah, we're going to try to make that a little bit better. So anyhow, see how good that was compared to last time? Let me get a good hold on it. See? Like I said, you just got to get a hang of it. Don't, if anything, try to stay flat as you can. Because if you go too far that way, you're going to dull your blade. So if anything, if you're worried about angle and dulling your blade, try to stay as flat as you can. Just put it on there flat, straight, tip it up a little bit, look at it, and just run it through. So, I guess I can do it freehand. You just got to practice. So, all you got to do is practice. Watch Super Steel Steve's video. He's got a sharpening diamond stone like thing, and it only cost him like 20 bucks, he was saying. So just get something cheap. You don't have to get a KME system. So I can touch it up with this. And I might get something, a rod, where I can polish these. And maybe I can get one of these to whittle hair. That will be the next thing to try. See if I can get any of these to whittle hair. This is just quick video showing that I do some freehand. Although I said that I don't do much freehand. I mentioned that how I did this, so I thought, what the hell? I'll take ours from the kitchen knife and I'll try it. I tried it, and I tell you, it works pretty damn good. To get my finer edge on there to make it dang sharp. So, you can do it freehand, even when I said I can't. So, anybody can do it. Anybody. Because I didn't think I had the knack anymore. It's been a while since I did freehand. But it can be done. Even if you don't think you can do it. So just try it, practice. I made videos saying that I couldn't do it. I thought, what the hell? I'll try with rod. And I did it. One good thing about rods. Steel rods, ceramic rods, and all that. Rods like these. They're used in the kitchen a lot, but they're great with recurves. If you got a knife that has a recurve in it. Well, you know what I mean. So these are good for recurves because you can't sharpen a knife with a recurve. Everything. So, rod might be one of the easy ones to do too. So get yourself a rod. I seen them at Walmart for $9. I'm probably going to get one at Walmart for $9. Throw it in my pack and whatnot. My backpack that I got for knives. Throw it in there so I can sharpen up knives quick. So yeah, they're like $9 at Walmart. Or go to a kitchen store, appliance store. See what you can find. But that one ripped. So yeah, just another quick video showing you that. It's all cut up. Showing you that I can do it freehand if I can. If I try. And you can get a nice sharp edge on it. So, we'll come back to this and whatnot. And we'll use these knives and other knives and try to sharpen them. Dull them and sharpen them and see what I can do. But freehand does work too, if you know how to do it. It just takes practice. Practice makes perfect. So anyhow, just a quick video, not as long as my other one. But here I go again. Turn around, correct myself again. So you can freehand if you just practice. Nothing wrong with doing freehand and whatnot. So nothing wrong with any way you sharpen, as long as you can sharpen it and get your knife sharp. Any way you can do it, do it. Do it with an electric sharpener. Do it with a pull-through sharpener. Do it with a KME system. Do it freehand with diamond stones. Do it with whetstones. Whichever way you can get your knife sharp, do it. Just be careful and practice. You can dull your knives, you're sharpening this way, and any way you sharpen, you can dull your knives. Even with pull-through sharpeners, you can dull your knives. you use too much pressure on those pull through knives, that will dull your knife also. So it just takes practice. Some ways take more work than others. So anyhow, that's it for me. I'll talk to you next time. Just another video where I'm correcting myself, and there'll be plenty of that. So anyhow, talk to you again. See you in the next one.